Hello, me John. John is the owner of a small IT service company with 50+ employees. He works with many different clients and manages their Level 3 and Level 4 IT customer support. John's business involves resolving technical issues. A ticket is generated for every issue and is manually assigned to an employee from the technical support department of the company. But to run this kind of services, there needs to be one or two person always available who route the ticket to the proper team and proper person. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19, all his employees have started working from home. So now whenever the ticket comes in the queue, the person who is dedicatedly assigned the work of allocating tickets to the employee has to call or search for employees who are free at that time or who can resolve that issue based on the technical expertise. It becomes a very tiresome process for John, and this process comparatively takes a lot more time than usual. This results in high customer dissatisfaction, poor efficiency, failed SLAs and low effective utilization of the employees. Due to this scenario, John is very much worried and looking to automate this system. Delegator AI is an app which will automatically assign the task tickets to employees based on machine learning prediction algorithm by considering factors like task priority, employee skills, ticket similarity, employee schedule, employee workload, etc., and at the same time will notify the customer that their issue resolution process is work in progress. Once the task is assigned, the respective employee will receive notification about it, so that they can start working on it. But if due to some unusual circumstances if that employee is unable to perform the task, then that task is assigned to the next available employee. Delegator AI consists of an issue monitoring system which will track the similarity of issues that are faced by the customers. If the customer faces a single type of issue several times, then the employees will automate the resolution of that issue. This will save time for customers and will result in high customer satisfaction. Delegator AI will indicate the total numbers of issues resolved by each employee weekly. This will assist managers to track their performance and award them accordingly. This app will recommend different courses to the employees based on their performance and skill set, which will help them improve their performance. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, are the backbone of the Australian economy, creating around 7 million jobs, contributing to 57% of Australia's GDP. In addition to that, 36% of the market is using cloud service in Australia. And during recent pandemic times, 62% people work from home. 29% businesses are facing issues related to communication with customers. 84% businesses with more than 50+ employees will look at new opportunities to use technology. 64% professional businesses are moving towards using automation technology to make a smooth business process. The technical architecture comprises of 5 different parts. The first one being the client part, which includes front-end web using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Load balancing using gigs, CDN. Second, the computing service part includes the programming language used is Ava. Frameworks are Spring MVC, Spring Cloud, and virtual technologies are Docker, K8s. Third, the database part includes data storage using AWS RDS, cache storage using AWS Elastic-Cache, search engine using AWS Elasticsearch, file storage using AWS S3. Fourth, machine learning part, which includes AWS SageMaker. And lastly, monitor part using Grafana. The human resource required for building this product are 2 full-stack developers, 1 data scientist, 1 business analyst, 1 cloud engineer, and 1 QA tester. The salaries for each of the professional is calculated on the basis of the average salaries given on Glassdoor for a duration of 8 weeks. The total cost for the development is $86,833. The minimum cost associated with building the product on AWS platform services is $472. And the ongoing overhead maintenance cost for the IT support team will be $13,750 per month. Digital marketing is done using platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The costs associated with marketing is based on cost per click and cost per 1,000 impressions. The total marketing costs estimated are around $50,000 per month. The services will be provided to the customers based on 3 subscriptions-based business models. The cost associated with each of them are: first, for the standard, it's $800 per year. Second, for the enterprise version it's $1,000 per year. And finally, For the premium model, it's $1,500 per year. The prices for different subscriptions are decided based on the market research. By keeping in mind the current work-from-home culture, we have assumed that we will sell a standard subscription to 3 customers, enterprise subscription to 1 customer, and a premium subscription to 1 customer per month. Also based on our estimation, the subscription will increase by 2 customers for each of the models on a quarterly basis. As we can see from the graph, initially for the first 3 months there is no profit for the organization, but from the next quarter onwards the revenue increases gradually. This is the prototype of our application. The first page is the login page. This page will be the same for the customer as well as the employees. The second page includes the complaint form where the customer will post the issue. Once the customer sends the complaint, it will automatically be reflected in the company's dashboard, and automatically the employees are assigned with the respective issues. The employee can then see the complete details of the issue. Also, the manager can see the history of the previously solved issues and the information for the Mrs. SLAs on a timely basis. Finally, the manager will be able to see the performance of the employee on monthly basis.